So hey guys and welcome back to my channel. So in our last class we had learned how to make some more shapes using loop in Turtle. So in this class we are going to learn how to save a program and run them. So let's begin. So in the last classes we used to work right here, but then imagine you did a lot of coding and made a really important thing, and if you want to save that, so now onwards we'll be coding here in the file and click on new file, because here is a place where we can save a program and run them. So let me do some small stuff. So we write import turtle and then Fred is equal to turtle dot pen and Fred dot shape turtle and then Fred dot color red and then Fred dot speed 0 and Fred dot width 5, and then I'm just gonna draw a square. So I write for I in range 4 and then Fred dot forward 100 and then Fred dot left 90 and then go here and click on run. Go to run and click on run module, or you can press F5 and then you should save your program. So I'll just be writing test program and go ahead and save it on desktop and then click save, and then you see I just wrote here total spelling wrong. Yeah, now go then I'll run it again. Then if you don't save your program again, this thing will remind you, and now you see it draws a square. So you can do a lot many other changes. I'll just show some and then I will draw another shape. Before that I'll just change Fred's color to blue and then I will draw a smaller square for I in range 4 and then Fred dot forward 50 and then Fred dot left 90, and then go ahead and run it again and then save it, and you see it draws two square. So you will get a lot of practice after doing more and more times. And so that's all for this video, and meet you next time. Bye guys.